Feeling older than your age, stuck with low energy, stubborn belly fat, brain fog, and no motivation to move? It's not just life, it's biology under siege. But here's the truth. The right kind of exercise can literally rewire your body's hormones, mind, and metabolism. And science proves it. I'm Neighborhood Doc B, a community family medicine doctor, and today I'll show you how to use exercise like medicine so you can rebuild your testosterone, fight stress, and protect yourself from chronic diseases that are taking out too many men too early. Comment reset below and I'll send you my free 7-day metabolic reset plan. I remember one of my patients, 43, working long hours, raising 2 kids. He thought he was just burnt out. But labs showed low testosterone, prediabetes, elevated cholesterol, obese. He wasn't lazy, he was inflamed, sedentary, and stuck. We didn't fix him with pills, we fixed him with movement, smart, science-backed exercise that healed his body from the inside out. After 30, men lose 1% of testosterone each year. Muscle mass shrinks, fat creeps in, and the risk for diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and depression skyrocket. But here's the kicker, 80% of men aren't doing the type of exercise that actually protects their health. And what's worse, most men are blocked by real barriers. No time, fatigue after work, lack of motivation, fear of injury, not knowing where to start. These are real, and they're why so many good men give up and pay the price with their health. Let's get this clear. Exercise isn't just about looking fit. It's a full body treatment that reverses chronic disease from the inside out. Acute effects: increases cardiac output, boosts glucose uptake in your muscles, mobilizes fat for energy. Now, chronic adaptations grows new mitochondria, improves endothelial function, your blood vessels lining, enhances insulin sensitivity, triggers hormonal recovery, and guess what? Every time you work out, your muscles release powerful molecules called exerkines, including myokines, hepatokines, and neurokines that act like messengers, healing your brain, heart, and immune system. Men who meet exercise guidelines lower all-cause mortality by up to 30%. They also cut the risk of diabetes, obesity, dementia, and certain cancers. But the best part, testosterone, your vitality hormone, rises. HIIT and strength training can increase testosterone by up to 36.7% in just 8 weeks in men 35 to 40. Here are the top 5 types of exercises. Number 1, aerobic training. Brisk walking, jogging, hiking, biking, swimming, 150 to 300 minutes per week, lowers blood pressure, improves brain function, cuts disease risk. Number 2, resistance training. Lifting weights 2 to 3 times a week, 1 to 3 hours per week, all major muscle groups, boosts metabolism, burns fat, builds strength, increases testosterone. Number 3, HIIT, which is high intensity interval training. Short bursts, max effort, 10 to 20 minutes per session, 2 to 3 days per week. Boosts testosterone and insulin sensitivity fast. Number 4, flexibility and mobility. Stretching hips, back, shoulders, 2 to 3 times per week, includes static stretching, dynamic stretching, yoga, and Tai Chi. Prevents injuries, improves posture. Number 5, balance and core stability. Critical after 40, static balance and functional exercises, 2 to 3 times per week, prevents falls, strengthens small stabilizer muscles, improves coordination. How are we going to overcome these barriers? I get it, life's busy, but if you're serious about living strong, you can't afford not to move. Let's break down the biggest barriers. No time. Break workouts into 10-minute blocks. Too tired? Just start walking. Energy builds momentum. No gym? Use body weight at home. push-ups, squats, stairs. Fear of injury? Go slow, proper form, build up. Unmotivated? Get support, track your wins, find a buddy. Use a journal, fitness app, and wearable to track your progress. Schedule it like a doctor's appointment because your life really does depend on it. Want to live longer, stronger, and sharper? It starts with movement. Exercise lowers inflammation, improves glucose and lipid metabolism, builds vascular health, boosts testosterone, and it activates anti-aging signals across your entire body. This isn't hype, it's decades of peer-reviewed science. And it means you're not stuck. You can outsmart aging one smart workout at a time. Come here. Here's the truth. No one's coming to save your health, but you can today, and I've got your back. Like this video if it opened your eyes, subscribe for weekly doctor-backed strategies to thrive after 30. Share this with a brother, friend, or father who really needs it. This is Neighborhood Doc B, helping men take back their health one move at a time. I'll see you in the next one.